In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable Steam networking. Whether you want to play single-player games without internet interruptions, or you need to get back online for updates and multiplayer, I'll walk you through the exact options in Steam and a couple of essential system settings to make sure everything works smoothly. First, let's look at Steam's built-in offline mode. Open Steam on your computer. In the top left corner of the Steam window, click the Steam menu. From here, choose Go Offline if you want to disable Steam's networking features. Steam may prompt you to restart in offline mode. This simply puts the client into a state where it won't try to connect, download, or sync. It's great for traveling, conserving bandwidth, or avoiding interruptions. Keep in mind that features like cloud saves, online multiplayer, chat, and store access won't be available until you go back online. When you're ready to reconnect, return to that same Steam menu and select Go Online. Steam will reestablish its connection and resume normal activity, including updates and cloud synchronization. If Steam is having trouble connecting even when you choose Go Online, it may be blocked by your firewall. On Windows, open Windows Security, then go to Firewall and Network Protection. Click Allow an app through Firewall. In the list of allowed apps, find Steam and make sure it's checked. Enable both private and public if you use Steam on different types of networks. Private covers trusted home or work networks, while public is for places like hotels or cafes. If you only use Steam at home, you can leave it on private, but enabling both can help when you're on the go. After confirming those checkboxes, click OK to save your settings. Finally, if things still seem stuck, a quick network restart can clear it up. Close Steam completely to avoid any background activity during the reset. Then restart your PC or your internet connection. A full PC restart refreshes network adapters and services, while rebooting your modem or router can fix connectivity issues from your provider's side. Give your network a moment to come back online, then reopen Steam. In many cases, this simple reset resolves lingering connection problems and gets Steam networking back to normal. That's it. Use offline mode to intentionally disable networking when you need it. Verify your firewall settings to allow Steam through and restart your system or internet if you hit a snag. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you control Steam's connectivity with confidence.